Shiny, 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 shiny. What's going on YouTube? Mr. Yu-Gi-Oh! Ninja here. Today I'm here with a channel update for you. Basically, it's nothing exciting, but on the 18th of August, I'm going to the sneak peek of Return of the Duelist, so I will have that. There will also be a tournament diary on either the 18th or the 19th, because I will also be doing my locals. Then, a little bit later, about 2 weeks later, it will be my birthday, so I do have some pretty cool stuff then. Also, look out for a tray binder video, which I might be doing. And, I also got some decks coming up for you, and, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to Shadow Isaiah. I will put a link on the Leviathan Dragon picture. He's a good friend of mine. He's doing a pretty cool contest where if you can get 100 subscribers by around Christmas time, he will be giving away some pretty awesome stuff. I don't know what the regulations are or what you need to do, but pretty awesome. So yeah, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Be ready for that stuff. And yeah, Mr. Yu-Gi-Oh! Ninja signing out. Peace, YouTube.